Introduction to computer networks. In basic terms, a computer network is a group of two or more computers that are linked together. Computer networks allow for electronic communication, whether in the form of email, telephone calls, video conferencing, instant messaging, etc. They also allow users to access other components, such as storage devices, printers, additional monitors or other devices linked to the computers, etc. There are two main types of networks. The first one is a local area network with an abbreviation of LAN, and the second is a wide area network, abbreviation WAN. A local area network connects computers within a school or a home. All the computers on this network are within a very small geographic location. You could think of it as having wireless internet within a home or having multiple devices connected to the same network through Ethernet cables. We'll talk more about this as we continue in this presentation. In a wide area network, it connects computers across a broad geographic region, such as a telephone network. And both of these networks have the ability to have wired, such as the Ethernet cable connected devices, or wireless connections between workstations. A path between two computing devices on a computer network, also called a sender and a receiver, is a sequence of directly connected computing devices that begins at the sender and ends at the receiver. The connection between each type of computer network requires its own protocols to determine how the computers will communicate with each other, and there are three main types of computer network protocols to know about. First is called a token ring protocol, the second is an Ethernet protocol, and the third is Wi-Fi protocol. Now, this may seem like a lot of new terminology and vocabulary. However, each of these will be discussed in more detail throughout this unit. Before we begin to discuss networking and the internet in more detail, it is worth noting major contributions that came from Nigeria and West Africa. The first scientist is Philip Emeagwali. He was once called an unsung hero behind the internet by Time magazine. A Nigerian computer scientist and civil engineer is credited for designing the supercomputer. He is most recognized for his ability to program a network of wires that achieved the fastest speeds in the world at the time, having a large impact on the world of computing and the internet. Our second contributor worth noting is Victor B. Lawrence, a Ghanaian engineer credited for improving transmission for the modern internet, increasing availability of high-speed connections, and growth of the global internet. Dr. Lawrence is currently a research professor and director for Intelligent Network Systems at Stevens Institute of Technology. He was inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame in 2016.